Hello, today we are going to see the installation of KVM and QEMU. During this installation, both KVM as well as QEMU is getting installed. Actually, KVM or kernel-based virtual machine is a full virtualization solution for Linux or Intel 64 and AMD 64 hardware that is included in the mainline Linux kernel since 2.6.20 and is stable and fast for most workloads. The prerequisites: we have to first check the hardware virtualization extensions are available or not. For this, we'll execute the command and we see that the VMX is enabled. Next, for AMD based host, we can use the other command, and to verify that KVM modules are loaded in the kernel, we use the command lsmod grep kvm. The output of this will contain KVM underscore Intel for Intel based host or KVM underscore AMD for AMD based host. Next, for the system to be update, we give the update command. This will take some time. KVM installation and deployment. We will install QEMU KVM and QEMU img packages at first. These packages provide the user level KVM and disk image manager. For that, we will execute the command yum install QEMU KVM and QEMU img. Now we have the minimum requirement to deploy virtual platform on our host, but we will also still have useful tools to administrate our platform, which includes the virt manager, libvirt client, virt install and libvirt. So after the installation of QEMU KVM and QEMU img, we have to go for the installation of these packages. That can be done using the command yum install virt manager libvirt python libvirt client. The execution of this command also takes some amount of time. Once this execution of installation is over, we have to restart our libvirt and the command for that is systemctl restart libvirt. The package installation is over now. Now we will restart the libvirt. After that, we have to check the status by running the command systemctl status libvirt. You can see that the system is active in the running state. So we have our KVM QEMU installed. Now we can create a virtual machine using the KVM. We can use the virt manager to create the VM within the KVM QEMU hypervisor. By giving the command virt manager, the virtual machine manager is opened. Before creating a new virtual machine, we should know where the files need to be stored. So we have to create a volume disk. This can be done by right-clicking the local host, clicking the details and going to the storage tab. We can click on new volume and give a name for the new storage volume. I'm giving it as KVM 1225, and we can set the maximum capacity, then finish. You can see that our new volume is added. Now the allocation size is actual size for your disk, which is being allocated immediately from your physical disk after finishing the steps. And now you should notice that the path of the new disk image by default will be under the given library. So we can check it using the command line by giving the command ls-l. We can see the path. Now we are ready to create our virtual machine. By hitting the button VM in the main window, we'll get the wizard window for creating a VM. We have to select the installation method as local install media. and we can specify this in two ways, from physical, that is through CD-ROM or DVD, or from ISO image. In our tutorial we are using the ISO image method. We can give the virtual machine name and select the local install media and forward. Now we have to select the ISO image from browse local. So we can browse local and select the ISO image. Here I am selecting an Ubuntu image. We can set the memory and CPU as well as the storage we have created earlier can be selected and give finish. Then we can go into the installation of Ubuntu VM. Normal Ubuntu VM installation can be done. Thus we have created a VM using the hypervisor, KVM and QEMU.